So is it really possible to completely cleanse your colon naturally in just a few minutes? And what if I told you that yes, it is possible, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a special drink that only includes 4 simple ingredients: water, salt, lemon, and safflower peels. This drink can help cleanse your colon in just 10 to 15 minutes. Did you know that digestive problems have increased by 300 to 400% in the last 30 years? If you suffer from constipation, bloating, or other digestive problems, rest assured that you are not alone. Today we will talk about some natural ways with which you can cleanse your colon and get rid of these painful problems, especially the special drink I just mentioned, which can make you feel better in just 10 minutes. Modern lifestyle has created many health problems, and digestive problems have become the most common complaint of people today. Whether it's constipation, bloating, gas, acidity, gastritis, or other digestive problems, millions of people suffer from these problems, and the rate has never been higher in human history. The sad truth is that about 16% of adults suffer from constipation on a regular basis, and among people over the age of 60, the rate is 1 in 3. So what do people usually do when they're constipated? They immediately head to the pharmacy and buy chemical laxatives. But there's a big problem with this method. Chemical laxatives may provide temporary relief, but they do not solve the underlying problems of the digestive system. Rather, they can make the situation worse over time. Such drugs often have side effects, and your body becomes dependent on them. The more you use them, the more your natural digestive system stops working without them. It becomes a dangerous cycle. Your body loses its natural ability to go to the toilet regularly, and you have to take even more powerful medications just to get basic relief. Meanwhile, the underlying problems with your digestive system remain unaddressed, and so other health problems also gradually start to develop. Our body has a great ability to naturally cleanse and detoxify itself. We just need to provide the right nutrients and adequate water. That is why natural laxatives have been used for the last 2,000 years. They are used to help with digestive problems, and they are just as effective as chemical medications, but without the harmful side effects. Let's talk about what constipation actually is and why it happens. If you have fewer than 3 bowel movements a week and your stools are hard and dry, then you are experiencing constipation. Ideally, everyone should have a bowel movement at least once a day. If you have 5 or 6 bowel movements a week, that is also acceptable. But when constipation lasts for a long time, it can cause very serious problems, because no one wants waste to sit in their digestive system for days or weeks. The main causes of constipation include drinking less water, lack of fiber in the diet, holding back stools despite feeling the need, lack of physical activity, especially in the elderly, diseases such as inflammatory bowel disease, sudden lifestyle changes, such as traveling or moving to a new environment, pregnancy, certain diseases, such as stroke, diabetes, thyroid problems, and Parkinson's disease. Similarly, certain medications can also cause constipation, including pain relievers, diuretics, water pills, and medications used to treat Parkinson's, high blood pressure, and depression. Symptoms of constipation are not limited to difficulty passing stools. There are also many other symptoms that can occur, such as a feeling of fullness and pressure in the rectum, severe pain and straining during bowel movements that can last for several minutes, abdominal pain, which can be mild discomfort or sharp cramping heartburn that gets worse after eating, nausea that can last all day, vomiting, in severe cases, rapid heartbeat during bowel movements, dizziness when standing, persistent headache, and mild anemia, blood loss, that can be caused by poor absorption of nutrients. These symptoms can have a profound impact on your daily life and energy levels. Now let's talk about some natural solutions that are really effective. The first thing you need is fiber. But here's something most people don't know. You should aim for 25 to 40 grams of fiber per day to avoid constipation, but it's important to increase this amount gradually, over about 2 to 3 weeks. If you suddenly go from 10 grams to 40 grams per day, you may experience gas, bloating, and discomfort. Start with 5 grams of fiber per week and gradually work your way up to your goal. Some of the best high-fiber foods include avocados, about 14 grams of fiber in 1 cup, pears, 10 grams of fiber in 1 medium pear, strawberries, barley, apples, including the skin, raspberries, bananas, carrots, beets, broccoli, artichokes, Brussels sprouts, lentils, peas, and chickpeas. The key is to get a balance of both soluble and insoluble fiber throughout the day. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps soften stools, while insoluble fiber adds weight and bulk to move food through the digestive system. Water is essential for digestive health, but its temperature and timing matter more than you might think. Your kidneys and liver rely on water to cleanse your blood, produce urine, and remove waste products from your body. Drinking at least 2 liters of water a day significantly reduces the chances of constipation and bloating. But here's an important point. Drinking room temperature or slightly warm water is most effective for digestion. Cold water can slow down digestion and constrict blood vessels in the intestines. The best way is to drink a large glass of warm water first thing in the morning, and use room temperature water throughout the day. Drink water 30 minutes before meals, and avoid drinking large amounts of water for at least 1 hour after meals. This timing helps your digestive enzymes work better. Probiotic foods can also be a game changer for digestion, but it is important to consume them at the right time. Probiotics are good bacteria in your gut that help balance out the bad bacteria. They keep your gut microflora healthy and can be a natural remedy for problems like constipation and diarrhea. The best time to take probiotics is on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before bed, when stomach acid levels are low. Some of the best probiotic foods include kefir, which contains over 60 types of beneficial bacteria, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi, apple cider vinegar with a mother in it, natto, and miso. If you use dairy products, always opt for organic ones, as they are easier to digest. Use goat's milk, organic kefir, or raw dairy that does not contain A1 casein. If you are lactose intolerant, i.e. allergic to milk, you should focus on fermented vegetables and non-dairy options like coconut kefir. Aloe vera is one of the oldest natural laxatives in the world. But quality is key here. It is also sometimes called aloe latex. This substance is rich in enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, which help soften stool and improve bowel movements. The anthraquinones in aloe vera act as natural laxatives. They increase the amount of water in the intestines, stimulate the secretion of mucus, and naturally increase peristalsis, the contractions that help break down and move food along. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce swelling and improve the functioning of the digestive system, which makes defecation easier. To treat constipation, take 100 to 200 milligrams of aloe vera daily, preferably in the morning. Make sure you buy a high-quality, 100% organic, and formulated aloe vera product for internal use. Avoid products that contain sugar, artificial colors, or preservatives. Chia seeds are also great, as they have the ability to absorb 12 times their weight in water and act as a natural laxative in the digestive system. They provide 10 grams of fiber per serving, and form a gelatinous substance when mixed with liquid, which moves easily through the intestines. The best way to use chia seeds is to soak them in water for at least 15 minutes, so that they swell and are easier to digest. You can use soaked chia seeds in smoothies, yogurt, or just mix them with water and a few drops of lemon juice. Use 1 to 3 tablespoons daily, but start with 1 teaspoon and increase the amount gradually to avoid digestive upset. Store chia seeds in a cool, dry place, so they will not spoil for up to 4 years. Flax seeds are also an excellent source of fiber. They thicken stool and help it pass more easily through the intestines. They contain about 3 grams of fiber per tablespoon, as well as omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in the digestive system. Consume 2 to 3 tablespoons daily, and if possible, grind them fresh before use to increase their effectiveness and nutritional value. Whole flaxseed often passes through your system undigested, therefore, it is important to grind them to get all their nutritional benefits. You can grind a week's supply at once and store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Add them to smoothies, porridge, or yogurt for best results. Green leafy vegetables are not only an excellent source of fiber but also contain several essential minerals and vitamins, especially magnesium, which helps prevent constipation by relaxing the muscles in the intestinal walls and helps with regular bowel movements. The best vegetables are broccoli, kale, spinach, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, chard, green salad, parsley, watercress, arugula, dandelion leaves, Chinese cabbage, chard, chives, green onions, mustard greens, endive, and beet greens. To maximize the digestive benefits, try to eat at least 1 serving of green leafy vegetables with each meal. You can lightly steam them to make them easier to digest. Add them to smoothies or eat them raw in salads with a little olive oil, so that fat-soluble vitamins can be better absorbed. Rubbing raw spinach or kale with a little salt for a few minutes softens their tough fibers and makes them easier to digest. Other great natural laxatives include asparagine peel, coconut water, senna, aloo bukhara juice, slippery elm tea, castor oil, cascara sagrada, and lemon. All of these have been used successfully for centuries to help people maintain healthy digestion. Now I am going to share with you the special drink that I promised at the beginning. This drink can relieve constipation in just 10 minutes and is great for naturally cleansing the intestines and getting rid of gas. Its main ingredients are water, salt, lemon, and safflower peel. And each of these ingredients plays a specific role in the cleansing process. The salt helps draw water into the intestines. The lemon provides vitamin C and citric acid that stimulate digestive juices. And safflower is a fibrous ingredient that acts like a broom to clean the intestines. The hot water helps to dissolve all the ingredients in this drink well and makes it easier to drink. The first suggestion is to drink this drink first thing in the morning, that is, within 30 minutes of waking up when your digestive system is most active and receptive. If you cannot drink this drink on an empty stomach in the morning, then drink it at least 2 hours after eating, when the stomach is mostly empty. When you are cleansing your colon, it is strongly recommended that you start taking probiotics immediately after the cleanse to help the beneficial bacteria repopulate your intestines. You can find these beneficial bacteria in acidophilus supplements and kefir. This drink should be used as needed and not consumed too frequently. No more than once a week for maintenance, or as directed by a healthcare professional for specific problems. This wonderful recipe has helped many people get rid of problems like constipation and gas in a very short time. This drink softens the dry stools in your intestines and helps to restore normal digestion, as it provides your body with essential moisture and fiber. Here are the ingredients you need. Small teaspoons sea salt or Himalayan salt. A 1 liter jar with a lid. 1 liter filtered lukewarm water. 1 tablespoon of esophagitis peel. Juice of half a fresh lemon. Make sure all ingredients are at room temperature before using first. Heat a liter of water on the stove, but do not let it boil. The water should be just slightly warmer than room temperature. That is, lukewarm, like bath water. Now pour this hot water into a glass jar. Then add 2 teaspoons of sea salt or Himalayan salt, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir well with a spoon until the salt is completely dissolved. Then add the safflower peel and immediately shake vigorously for about 30 seconds to prevent lumps from forming. Now close the lid of the jar and shake well for another 30 seconds. Now you can drink this drink. Try to drink this drink in less than 10 minutes, as the safflower starts to thicken after some time. After drinking the drink, lie on your side and gently massage your stomach in a circular motion with your hands. First lie on your left side for about a minute, then move to your right side. This helps the drink reach different parts of your colon better. Try to keep the drink in your stomach for 30 minutes. Hold it in for as long as possible, then go to the bathroom and completely eliminate waste. Many people have successfully cleansed their intestines in this way. You may also feel a rumbling or moving sensation in your stomach during this time, which is a common and positive sign. This is completely normal and shows that the drink is doing its job. Please note that people with serious medical conditions, such as high blood pressure, kidney problems, or those who take multiple medications daily, should consult their doctor before starting a colon cleanse. In this method, water, salt, lemon juice, and asparagine peel effectively cleanse your colon in a very short time. After drinking, you can take a short walk around your house, apartment, or yard, but stay close to a bathroom. Some people need the bathroom in 5 minutes, while others may take up to 30 minutes. Timing is not as important as ensuring that you can cleanse your body naturally and safely. The key to avoiding digestive problems is to understand that the root causes of constipation include poor diet, lack of physical activity, and medication use. A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, adequate fluid intake, regular physical activity, and natural remedies, when needed, is the foundation of good digestive health. Remember that your body is an amazing system, and when you provide it with the right environment and nutrition, it is naturally capable of solving almost any problem. A combination of a fiber-rich diet, plenty of water, probiotics, and occasional natural cleansing can keep your digestive system functioning optimally for years. Now I want to hear your opinion. What natural methods for digestive health have you tried? And which of these tips would you like to try first? Be sure to let us know in the comments below if this information was helpful to you. Please share this video with those who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful natural health information. Until the next video, take great care of yourself.